Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have not only Wish Wednesday, it's actually Wednesday today, but we have this Wish Week. So it's a possibility for you guys to have your song here on Gordon Guitar. And we will have a wish list here for the whole week. So this time we have the wisher called Clone Support. You wished for Skele, so we couldn't leave this Wish Week without any Skele song. This song is called Comfort in Impermanence. And yeah, like it usually is with Skele song, there's a melody that goes round and round through the entire song. And we will have this strumming pattern as well, so we can mix it up a little bit. So I hope you will enjoy this one, especially for you, Clone Support. And I know Skele has a great fan base, at least here on Gordon Guitar. So this one is for you as well. So let's start. We have a capo here on the 3rd fret. And we have 3 different chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. So the chords will be F to G to A minor. So let's look at the chords first. So capo on 3rd, and the F will be like this. Bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's the F. Next chord will be G. So that's 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so there we have it. Now we're gonna look at the melody first, and it's about, you can say, 2 chord progression rounds, because in the first round we have 1 ending, and it's a different ending in the 2nd round with the last chord, the A minor chord. So if we look at this melody, goes over 2 chord progression rounds, F, G, A minor, F, G, A minor. That's what we're gonna go for. So the first part based on F will be like this. So you play 3 notes 2 times in the same way. So you have 1st fret E string in the bass, then 3rd fret A string, and open G. You play these 3 notes 1 more time. Like that, and that is the first F. Then we have the G. The best way of hold that grip will be with 2 fingers like this. I use my ring finger and my little pinky on the 3rd fret E string ring finger and 3rd fret A string little pinky, all right, to be able to reach down here. So with that grip, you're gonna play 3rd fret E string, then 3rd fret A string, and open G. Then again, 3rd fret E string, 3rd fret A string, and 1st B. So that's the reason for holding with these fingers, to be able to reach down here with your index finger on 1st B. So 3rd E, 3rd A, open G, 3rd E, 3rd A, 1st B. So far we played this, F and G, and G, and then we have the A minor in the first chord progression round here. This A minor will be like this, that's the grip. So 5th on the E string and 3rd on the A. That is what you need. So with that grip, you're gonna play this part. All right, so that is 5th on E, 3rd on A, open G. Then 3rd on A, open G, and open E in the top string. Then 5th on E, 3rd on A, and then open D, 2nd D, open B and first B. So I'm gonna go over the notes a little bit faster now. So 5th E, 3rd A, open G, 3rd A, open G, open E, 5th E, 3rd A, open D, 2nd D, open B, 1st B. And that will end the first chord progression round. So far we'll play this. Then we'll start the next round. The next round we will play it in the same way when it comes to the first two chords. The F and G is played in exact same way. So, alright, and then we have the final A minor part left. So that A minor starts in the same way. So the same grip here. So you're gonna play this. That part is exactly the same as the first A minor, but from there on you're gonna change that the last ending here. So when you play this, when you play the last note there, the open E string, then you're gonna go down here to the 3rd fret on B string and play this part. Alright, so that is, I prefer to play this with my ring finger on the 3rd fret B string. And I'm gonna slide up that one, I hit that one, and in the same time I slide up to the 5th B string, so like this. And then I'm gonna go back quickly to the 1st fret B string. So that movement there goes pretty fast. 3rd to 5th and back to 1st. So on the slide here, I hit the 3rd. Just slide up here. I don't hit that 5th, but I need to hit the 1st B string, because otherwise we'll have too little gas to get some notes from the 1st B. So like this. So I hit the 3rd, slide up to 5th, and then I hit the 1st. So that's the movement here. 3rd to 5th to 1st, and then we're gonna play the open E. And then I'm gonna play the 1st E, and I hammer on the 3rd E. So with the hammer technique, you hammer with the left hand, the finger on the 3rd, like this. I don't hit it with my right hand, the note, I hammer on, alright? So once I play the 3rd, 5th, 1st on B string, I play the open E, then I pick also the 1st E, and then I hammer on the 3rd E, and then I end on the 1st B string. One time. The second time in the song, we have this note up here. So I hit the 1st fret B string one time, and then the 8th fret on the E string. That is a C as well. C note, the note is called C up here. Yeah, it's actually not C, but if you count from the capo here and think that as up here, then that will be a C. It's not actually not, it's a D sharp here, but anyway, that's the same note as the 1st fret B string, it's just lower. So what you need to do is you're gonna play this note here, the D sharp or C or whatever we're gonna call it, 2 times in the end. So you can choose to play 2 times up here, or like it is in the song, one time on the 1st fret B string and 1 time on the 8th E string. For me, I skip this 8th E string because right after this, you need to really be fast to go up here and be ready for the next melody round, all right? So that makes it a little bit, yeah, not that comforting. It's like, it's very hard to reach back up here. So what I do, I simplify it and I just play 2 times on the 1st fret B string. So with that ending, I'm gonna play it for you. Many words now. I just feel I need to show you how it's done. So I'm gonna play the last A minor for you. I'm gonna play real slow so you understand what we're doing. I'm gonna play with the ending first fret B string 2 times. So that's how I play it. Or if you want to have this last E string on 8th fret, it will be. But then in the next round, you need to go up here. So it will be like, sorry. And that works as well. So it's just a matter of how you practice this. I'm lazy. I do it in a good way, in my opinion. 2 times on the B string, and that's it. So that will be the melody. 2 rounds of F, G, and A minor covers this melody. Now, at about 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the song, and till 3 minutes and 20 seconds, so pretty much 1 minute, you will play a strumming pattern. All right. So this pattern goes over the same chords, of course, F, G, and A minor. So I'm going to show you the strumming with the first chord, the F, and it sounds like this. And that is 1 round. So you're going to play down, down, up, clap, down, up, So again, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So it's pretty much down and then down, up 2 times, clap, and down, up 2 times. That will be 1 strumming round. So you're gonna play the chords F, 1 strumming round, G, 1 strumming round, and A minor, 2 strumming rounds. So that will be F, G, A minor, A minor, F, down, up, clap, down, up, G, down, up, clap, down, up, A minor, clap, down, up, clap, down, up. And you continue with that till about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. And after that, you're gonna go back and play the melody till the end. And that pretty much covers Skele's comfort song. So I hope that helped, especially for you, Clone Support, who wished for the song during the Wish Wednesday and also Wish Week, actually. So yeah, I think this is a great song to learn. Practice the chords first with the strumming. Once you get that, you can go into the picking patterns and just nail this song. It's a great song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. And yeah, play tuned.